Hello everyone, welcome to Traffic Turbo channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to find a very good niche design that can sell and also how to spy on your competitor. Let's get started. First of all, I'd like to show you my strategy on how to find a very good design and at the same time that can sell very quickly and very fast. So first of all, what I do, I just go for Etsy and like I know that St. Patrick Day after 1 month, so I have to design on St. Patrick Day because I know that like during this month and the next one it's gonna be like St. Patrick Day and it's gonna be a lot of demand. So first of all, I go and write funny St. Patrick Day t-shirts, and then always Etsy try to make the most popular and the best designs on the first page on the top. So I will choose between the first page, like the first 8 or 12 designs. Okay, so for example, I find here an idea, like I like it, one lucky teacher. So I started to think about how can I make my own design, and of course I don't want to be a copycat and just copy the design. I want to do something like on my own. So what I think about is like cross niching, or maybe like taking some of these designs and merge them together. For example, like if I want to do something like this design, one lucky teacher, I will just think about why not I'm doing one lucky nurse, one lucky sister, one lucky mother, one lucky father. I can just do a lot of other things and make a lot of other variation. So now I'm speaking about the idea. So about the design, I know also that the design itself very good. Let's get locked up. So I can do one lucky teacher, but on this form. So one lucky and here teacher. So I can just combine two ideas together and do my original idea. And I know exactly that these two designs are selling very well. So for example, let's go for this design. Okay, for this design, as we can see, if you go here on the right section down, it's over 20 people have this in their carts right now. So we know that this design is really sells very good. So first of all, we go and try to read a lot about the reviews, and we can see that the reviews are very nice, also 5 stars, and everyone is very happy and recommend. So we know that this design is good. So the second option, what I can do, I can take the same name like one lucky teacher and go for Pinterest and just type one lucky teacher and let's see what's happening. On Pinterest you can see a lot of other designs and you can take a lot of other inspiration. For example, something like that, one lucky grandma. So this idea I didn't think about. So now I have another variation, which is one lucky grandma. You see what I'm doing? And then here one lucky teacher again, and yeah, a lot of other stuff and a lot of other designs. So I can see that also the Pinterest gives you the most relevant and the best designs on this niche. So I think also what we can do, you can also go from Google and yeah, see what is sponsored, because sometimes people are making like ads, or the websites, print on demand websites already, they push up the designs which are very good, and here you can find an overview like these designs are, it's from Spreadshirt, this is from Wish, this is from Amazon, and you can see here I'm searching about one lucky mama because I want to make a variation. So here I can find one lucky mama, one lucky mama. Here we can see a lot of other designs here in green t-shirt, here in black with white. Here is like gray also working, blue, it's very nice. So here we can find a new idea and a lot of other variations. So I can spy from this like just I go for Google and go for images, or also you can go for shopping, because also some people just go first on shopping and then try to search on Google. So here I can find here also a lot of variations. It's very nice. This is new one. Yeah, they use the leaf. It's all. I like that so much. And here also like a Superman, Super Mama. Yeah, that's cool. So here you can find a lot of other ideas, guys, and you know exactly from Etsy that this design is working. So you can just combine all of that ideas together here from Pinterest and also from Google and do your unique design. And what you're gonna do after that, for example, for me, I am using to design on Redbubble and put my designs on Redbubble. So I do and write one lucky mama, and here I find there's only 637 results. And what we can notice here, that in the most relevant one, and also if we go to the best selling one, we will notice that there is no exact design, something like what we found on Etsy, something like that, or something like that, or this one. So what we can do here on Redbubble, as you can see, like on the one lucky mama, we can just find the 2 or 3 rows that, yeah, like nothing like exactly like this design. So what we can do is just combine this design idea with something like this, or with Pinterest, and do with another graphics or another font, okay, and then put it here on Redbubble, because it's just no competition, and even on the first page there is nothing something like that, and people already buying that on Etsy, on other websites like Amazon, and they are lacking on Pinterest since it's on the first page, on the Explore page. So why not? So now we can know that there is a missing, or something missing in Redbubble in exactly that design and on this keyword. So one lucky mama. So maybe we can also write one lucky teacher, and let's find if there is already competition or there is no competition. So one lucky teacher. Let's see what we're gonna find. Here we go. Yeah, it's almost here the same design as we can see, like that. Yeah, and here we go. You can just see it's 466 results. So the competition is really low, and you can easily go on the first page and start selling your designs right now, guys. So yeah, and the last thing, also you can get some inspiration from TeePublic. I went to TeePublic and write one lucky mama, and also when you want to search on TeePublic, always search on popular. And yeah, you can also go for one lucky teacher and take some inspiration. So there are a lot of websites that you can take inspiration from: Etsy, Pinterest, Redbubble, Google itself from shopping section, and yeah. And when you go to Redbubble, it's better always to make the filter on the best selling, okay? So you know exactly which one is selling right now. So for example, this is definitely selling right now, and this is also definitely selling right now. And as we can see here, even the font is not like, I think it's small, and it should be like a little bit zooming in so I can see what's inside the t-shirt. So it's not that good design. I think you can do much more better than that. And even here the design is a little bit lower. You have to make it a little bit in the higher section here. So yeah, I think you can compete in that design. And also in TeePublic, if you go, you have to go to the popular one, so you know which one is popular in that niche. And as we can see in TeePublic, also another kind of styles. And here, this friend t-shirts is very nice, and I don't know why it's here. It's not something related to St. Patrick Day, but I mean, you can just use the font of the t-shirts and write this on lucky mother or something like that. I think it's like the false tagging, and I don't like that so much. But yeah, here we go. You can find a lot of ideas on TeePublic, and I really like it so much. So why not, guys? You can take some of these ideas, combine something together, and just put it on Redbubble, since there is no competition right now on one lucky teacher, one lucky mother, and maybe we can just write one lucky nurse. So we are cross niche between St. Patrick Day and some hobbies or some jobs. Like one lucky nurse, guys, it's only 94 results. It's nothing. And as you can see here, just like these t-shirts, I don't even see what's inside that t-shirt. I don't understand. So it's easy to compete and to do a lot of these nice designs right here, and just take the style and try to make something original. Don't copy, please. Don't copy. Just take inspiration. And as we can see here in Redbubble, there is no even competition. You can just put your design, and we know that Redbubble, one of the best print-on-demand websites that people like to buy t-shirts. So start right now, guys, and I hope you like this video, and please subscribe, comment, like, yeah, hit the notification bell and hit the like button, and yeah, I hope you can get sales soon. See you soon, guys.